Fubara hope dey dashed as emergency rule continue for Rivers State. Welcome country people to Senate Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go ring when we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The hope of the suspended governor Siminalayi Fubara say President Tinubu go restore am back to office on June 12 don dey dashed. Dis na after all the waka and the begging when e don beg President and Minister Nyesom Wike. Wetin im go come do next as im don dey confused.